Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to find recently watched videos on Facebook. If this video is helpful, let us know in the comments, leave a like, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Let's get started. To begin, open the Facebook app and tap the menu icon, which you can find in the top right or bottom right corner of the screen, depending on your device. Once you're on the menu page, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. When it expands, tap on Settings at the top. Now that you're in the Settings page, scroll down until you find the Your Activity section. Here, tap on Activity Log. This section shows a detailed record of your activity on Facebook. Next, tap on Facebook Activity to expand it. Then select Posts and tap on Manage Posts. This will load your activity history. To filter this list and see only the videos you've watched, tap Filters in the top left corner. Then tap on Categories and select videos you've watched. You will now see a list of recently watched videos in chronological order, including the date and time you watched each one. If you want to clear your entire video watch history, tap Clear Video Watch History at the top and confirm your choice. If you prefer to delete individual videos, tap the three dots next to a video and select Delete. And that's it. Now you know how to find recently watched videos on Facebook.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.